Ciao everybody, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. I'm back here with my number one babe, Nonna Romana. Say hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
And tell everybody what we're going to make today.
Today I gotta make all cookies and Anisette cookies.
Ooh.
Very nice.
Olive oil Anisette Knot Cookies. I'm so excited for this episode because this is Nonna's never fail olive oil cookie base with a little Anisette flavor made into a really fun knot shape, and we're going to do a delicious sambuca glaze for them at the end. This is her classic olive oil based cookie dough. No butter. It's a little bit healthier, I like to think.
Olio and Anisette. Very good.
You could. It's healthy, right? Because no butter.
No butter, yeah.
Yeah, you could eat as many as you want.
Just olive oil.
I can eat them all?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. So let's go over the ingredients just for a second. We have an egg and an egg yolk. We have some all-purpose flour, some anise extract, olive oil, not extra virgin, some baking powder, and some granulated sugar. And that's it. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Very good cookies.
What do we got to put first?
First, the liquid thing I got to put.
Okay.
First, eggs.
And then anisette.
All.
If you don't want to use the anise extract, you can use a little bit of sambuca or anisette liqueur.
And sugar.
And sugar. Okay.
Left, I got to mix first this one.
I'm going to take the baking powder and I'm going to put it directly into the flour.
Baking powder.
Make sure you get it all in there. I can already smell the anise flavor. So good. These are the kind of cookies that really make your kitchen smell beautiful as they're baking with that nice. I mean, I love me some sambuca, some anisette in my coffee and stuff, so.
Okay, pour the flour.
Okay. More?
Yeah. You gotta put all, huh?
So again, for the complete recipe and a full list of ingredients, just head to cookingwithnonna.com. We'll have it all spelled out for you there. And you're just going to mix until this becomes a dough. And sometimes it's better you use your hands.
Yeah, I gotta use the hands. Yeah.
Nonna, some people, they don't want to use their hands.
I don't know.
What's the matter with them?
You gotta use the other way. You gotta make this one. You gotta.
It's not the same if you don't use your hands, I feel. And guys, look how easy this is. You don't need a stand mixer, an electric mixer. You can really just do this with a fork and then your hands at the end. See, now it's absorbing all the flour. And now she's going to go in with her hands and make sure that dough is really ready.
Okay.
Move these out of the way so you guys can see. I cannot emphasize how good this cookie dough smells. It's amazing. It's intoxicating. Nonna profuma questi cookies,
yeah.
right?
The anisette there, they give nice smell, nice.
Nonna's getting every single bit of cookie dough off this bowl. You're gonna clean the bowl. Now you don't even have to wash it.
Yeah, I know. I clean, yeah. No.
Beautiful.
This one. Okay, now I gotta make a little piece. Rossella, they gotta make cookies, okay?
She's gonna roll out the pieces, and you want the pieces not too long, about 5 inches, about the size of an iPhone, the length of an iPhone.
I think this okay.
These are very nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna take them. We're going to make this little knot. Look how cute these are.
Oh, they look nice.
They look so nice. Okay. Teamwork makes the dream work. Make a little nodo. So one tip that I found about this particular cookie dough is that you want to make sure that you make these in kind of a cold environment, like not too warm. Just because if it's too warm, your dough can kind of start to break apart on you. And then it's going to make it really difficult to make your cookies. Just a heads up.
They look nice.
They look so nice. I love the knots. Okay, so once all these babies are done, you pop them into a 375-degree oven for 15 minutes until they're golden brown at the bottom. And when we come back, we're going to frost them with our sambuca glaze.
Okay, I gotta make a glass now.
Ooh, my favorite part is the sambuca glaze, guys.
Yeah.
Nonna, look, we got Romana sambuca.
Oh, very nice.
We got Romana sambuca.
My name.
Yeah,
Oh.
this is you brand the sambuca.
Yeah, very nice.
But Nonna doesn't like to drink too much. You like sambuca?
No, I don't. I don't like.
You don't like?
I don't like to drink.
Why?
I'm sorry.
What?
Okay, I gotta test a little bit.
Oh, okay. So all we have is some confectioner sugar here. And we're going to add a little bit of sambuca and start mixing it in. Okay.
I got mix.
Yeah. And a lot of sambuca maybe. So if you don't want to use the actual liqueur, you can use a little bit of milk and anise extract instead of sambuca liqueur. But I love the way sambuca glaze comes out. It comes out super, super white. Just keep adding. But it depends how thin you want it. So this is totally kind of by eye. So if you want a thinner glaze, obviously you add a little bit more sambuca. If you want a thicker glaze, you add less. Nonna likes a nice thin glaze on these. She doesn't like too much sugar on top of the cookies, right?
Yeah, I don't like.
Why you don't like?
Yeah, I have a little sugar in my blood, you know. I can't have too much sugar.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's why she doesn't put sugar in coffee.
Yeah.
But then she eats cookies.
I put just milk in my coffee.
Yeah. But then you eat a cookie.
Oh, yeah, I need one cookies.
Okay, that is nice and smooth.
Nice.
So now, I'm just going to take a cookie. I'm going to dip. Oh, look how good that looks. I'm just going to put it on a rack so the excess
Very
drips
good.
off.
Mm-hmm.
I cannot wait to eat one of these. And you can also put sprinkles. Nonna likes them nice and white because she thinks sprinkles are extra sugar. But you can totally put sprinkles if you want. Have fun. Okay, last one.
Chiami a mamma che si...
Don't worry, Mama will eat them later.
Mm-hmm.
You always think about everybody. Why don't you think about you? You gotta eat a cookie first. You make them.
I know. It's okay.
That one missed the spot, so I had to paint it a little bit. Wow, look at how
They look
delicious
nice.
our cookies look.
Very good.
You want to taste one?
Sure.
Okay, pour the coffee. Nice. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of sambuca in the coffee, okay?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay, you want a little bit too? Oh, you want it.
Yeah.
And now
lullaby.
you like it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
We're going to taste the cookie?
Yeah.
Here, we'll taste one that's a little bit dry. As such.
Oh my God. It's so good. Very nice, huh?
Delicious.
Mm-hmm.
So good.
Very good.
Guys, you can't go wrong with this Anisette cookie recipe. Oh my god, I love it. So I could totally eat all of these right now by myself. But I'm trying to be a little bit more polite. I gotta save some for my mom, my dad, my uncle. No,
Yeah.
now you have cookies for Levy's. Eat that tomorrow.
Yeah.
People come over and see you. You got a cookies.
Everybody likes.
So good. Okay, Nonna and I are gonna finish taking our coffee and cookies. Thank you for being my Nonna
Thank you.
every day.
For do everything for me.
And we will see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
And tell over there, kiss them too.
Bye.